Hey everybody, Customikes here. We are in the pit area, well, one of the pit areas where there is a few indoor things with a Volvo bus that actually has some internal clang going, and he at least made probably 10 or 15, maybe 20 laps or so before they gave out. And their BMW friend, the black and red one, is out there doing good still, but these boys in the Ranchero only made it on the parade lap. And back over in the second video that we had over on the east side of the track, they went and started having clang on a large scale, and we got here just in time for them to pull the oil pan. And I can't go inside because I lose signal then, but you know, out here, now just leave it, it's fine, go. This is the result. So you can see here, they one of these came unscrewed, then the cap started loosening up, and it broke the second one, then it broke the block, then it broke the camshaft, he dropped the lifters and all the other stuff down into the pan. So yeah, this one had a full carnage today on the parade lap, so we didn't get to see this one play a lot, but they have actually located a motor in Fresno that somebody's going to procure for them. So they're getting ready to yank the motor, and somebody's going to go and get a new motor, used or whatever, recycled, and they're going to put it in and race either tonight or at the worst tomorrow. And I like these guys' spirits. Number 250. They got a Mustang 6-cylinder little screamer that screamed for the last time. Yeah, he's we're gonna have a quiet moment for him.
Requiem.
Yeah. So anyway, let's go take a look at the little Volvo here too, because that's a fun little ride with a small block Ford in it. I think it's a 289, and he was running pretty hot out there for a while until the motor started making a little clang. But this thing is a hot setup, and he did pretty good out there. It's there's some money spent on this thing to make it run pretty good. It's the Fjord Mustang, and they put that Moose up front, but this thing is all business, and it's got a 289 in it. And I mean, he's running pretty hot, scrubbing tires like crazy. And you can see in there, sneak in, there's a 289 in there. Unfortunately, 289 that decided to go clang. And I think they pulled out before they lost the whole motor, so to say. Yeah, and he even mentioned that he had a conversation with his engine builder that he's tired of the clang. So I guess there's another rebuilt motor coming in. He got hot. Look at that. He scrubbed the tires. He's got almost nothing left on the outside there. I mean, look at that exhaust coming off. It may look on the funky side, but this thing was hauling butt out there. So it was fun to watch. Yeah, there was a lot of turns when he was coming into the turn at the end of the straightaway. He was coming in hot and swinging in and out. So he had a lot of fun there. So anyway, just a little, oh wow, look at the International there, very cool. Anyway, so we're just strolling around the pits, having fun, checking out what's going on, saying hi to everybody that supporting the race teams and having fun. Oh, we got to show, somebody's selling these, what do you call them, succulents or whatever, out of go-kart tires. There's actually a go-kart track here too. And they got some tired plants for sale, which is actually pretty cool, you know. Anyway, it's a smart way to have a little side business to support your race team, huh? You know, that's an idea for you.
Tells me that's not going to pay for racing.
Well, I mean, we're trying to make it sound good. Work with me here. You know, how do you become a millionaire as a race car owner? You start as a billionaire, right?
Yeah.
So,
$500, my fanny.
Yeah.
Not $500.
Well, it was $500 at some point.
$500 was spent. That's true.
Yep.
It never was $500.
Well, the intent was good. Yeah. Good luck on procuring that engine and getting her running.
guys.
We'd love to see her on the track.
Yeah, let's try to get back out.
Beautiful.
All right,
Thanks, everybody.
guys.
Appreciate you guys hanging with us here at Customikes. Love you all. See you in a bit.